Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the optimized repositories of kachyos. So in kachyos, the repositories are optimized for different platforms. For example, there is a repository for x86-64 v3. So this repository will contain packages which are built for the x86-64, that is the 64-bit version 3 CPUs. So this will support and will run optimally on the 64-bit version 3 CPUs. Then we have got another repository that has packages built specially for the version 4 64-bit CPUs. Then there is another repository for the Zen 4 PHY, that is for the AMD specifically. So Zen 4 and Zen 5 architectures of AMD CPUs are supported. So the packages in this repository are optimized to work on Zen 4 and Zen 5 architecture of the AMD CPUs. The kachyos package build repository contains packages that receive ongoing updates, patches and the backported fixes to boost performance. Selectively implementation of PGO, LTO and the bolt optimizations depending on the need are done. There is also a couple of Git packages, for example the Mesa Git, that is supported in the kachyos repositories. You can see these are the different I think these are the instruction sets for the different Intel and AMD CPUs. So these are all supported specifically in these three different optimized repositories for the Intel as well as the AMD CPUs. And the best part is you can add the kachyos repositories given here to your existing Arch Linux installation. For that you have to run this script. So the script is given. So the script is automated where you can just execute these commands and it will install the kachyos repository to your existing Arch Linux installation. And there is also manual way, so you can do it manually as well as the automated way. So both are available, and also you can uninstall the kachyos repositories after testing. If you don't want to keep them, you can uninstall. So there is a automated script as well as the manual method to uninstall the kachyos repositories. Further, if you are interested to know about the test and the benchmarks, so Michael from Foronix has done a lot of testing and benchmarking on the kachyos. So you can check out all the different test and benchmark results given here. So these are the links. You can check this out. So that will be interesting observation to be done for you as well as me also. So on this note, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video with some more information regarding the features of kachyos. Bye bye.